Imagine a dawn like no other. Port of Spain, August 31st, 1962. The air shimmers with anticipation. A nation's heartbeat pulses as the red, white, and black flag rises into the Caribbean sky for the very first time. Freedom! 2 islands, 1 indomitable people. A country claiming its place in the world. For 63 years, Trinidad and Tobago has danced with destiny. Born from resilience, forged by unity. Every sunrise is a promise. Every challenge is a test. Every triumph is a reason to lift our voices higher. From African drumming to Indian tassa, European traditions to Chinese celebrations, Trinidad and Tobago's culture is a vibrant mosaic. Every festival, every flavor, every family tradition adds a new color to the story, woven together, evolving, united in pride. Today, we tell that story, a story that belongs to all Caribbean hearts, a story of strength, struggle, and unstoppable pride. Independence was the beginning, not the finish line. The decades that followed brought storms. Politics shifted, economies soared and stumbled, oil and gas built cities, but global markets tested every stride. When energy prices fell, families felt it. Debt crept higher. Imports, you could see them in every basket and every kitchen. Inflation made essentials feel out of reach. Port of Spain's skyline rose. But for so many, the light felt distant. Some searching not for profit, but for safety. Every nation faces challenges. In Trinidad and Tobago, crime casts long shadows. From petty theft to heartbreak, stories unfolded in streets and quiet shuttered shops. Woodbrook, doors closed well before sundown, not for rest, but to protect dreams and lives. But the Caribbean is more than its tempests. It is a place where storms teach us to hold each other closer, to rise after every fall. International voices shape Trinidad and Tobago's journey too. China built hospitals, highways, and ports, promises rising with every beam and brick. But with every handshake, a question: will partnerships sow lasting roots or fragile ties? The world's gaze turns to Trinidad and Tobago's seas. Energy giants like ExxonMobil ink contracts, hoping for rich returns. Will this wealth feed local dreams or disappear into foreign ledgers? And across the ocean, Washington's winds shape Caribbean futures. In this second Trump presidency, new trade, new immigration, new challenges and opportunities push the region forward. Across the Caribbean, greatness blooms in every direction. Grenada rises as the Isle of Spice, filling tables worldwide with the warmth of its nutmeg and cocoa. St. Lucia, land of the Twin Pitons, gifted the world not 1 but 2 Nobel laureates, voices for poetry and for progress. Jamaica's sprint legends from Usain Bolt to Shelley and Fraser Price show that Caribbean feet are made for greatness. Barbados leads in renewable energy and education, inspiring island nations to chase new solutions. Antigua and Barbuda's sailors harness the winds, representing the region on the highest seas. Caribbean music, reggae, soca, calypso, moves continents and brings strangers together on every dance floor. As the winds of change sweep across the Caribbean, Trinidad and Tobago rises, a beacon of resilience and creativity amid a sea of possibilities. With every opportunity the region embraces, Trinidad and Tobago responds, not only by dreaming big, but by nurturing the everyday brilliance that fuels those possibilities. In the hum of daily life, the country's true strength reveals itself, steadfast through every change and challenge. Yet through every headline, every storm, the fire remains. In the streets, the markets, the music. San Fernando's marketplace pulses with trade and laughter. Laventil's panyards ring with Steelpan rhythms, inventing music that changed the world. Tobago's farmers coax life from red earth, defying odds and seasons. This is everyday courage. Inventors, fighters, survivors. Trinidad and Tobago is a land that sings, turning hardship into harmony, painting protest with color, and writing poetry with hope. When the world looked to Trinidad and Tobago, what did it see? A small nation delivering brilliant triumphs. Hazley Crawford racing into history with Olympic gold in Montreal. Atta Boldon, Keshorn Walcott, Jereme Richards, Michelle Lee Ahi, lifting the national flag and millions of hearts with their speed and strength. Brian Lara rewriting cricket's story, breaking world records, showing that brilliance wears the colors of Trinidad and Tobago. Nicki Minaj's voice, Claudia Jones's legacy, Machel Montano's soca, Heather Headley's artistry, Janelle Comichong and Wendy Fitzwilliam, two queens who inspired generations. The Trinidadian diaspora spreads this fire worldwide, from Toronto's Pan Nights to London's Carnival lessons. In Brooklyn's roti shops and South Florida's parang gatherings, Trinbagonians abroad keep their heritage alive. Accents, laughter, and flavors travel with them, connecting communities with every note and every celebration. If this pride moves you, hit like and subscribe to Caribbean Focus. Join us and never miss a story that celebrates our Caribbean spirit. To show your Trinidad and Tobago and Caribbean pride, click the link in the first line of the description below for exclusive Caribbean Focus merchandise. Wear your pride, share the spirit, carry it with you wherever you go. And just as pride fills every heart, it surges to life on the streets during Carnival, the world's heartbeat pounding in Trinidad and Tobago's rhythm. Steelpan melodies at sunrise, masqueraders awash in color, doubles perfuming the air. Carnival is not just a party, it is protest, it is survival, it is joy, it is freedom unfurled for all the world to see. Fireworks spark above the Queen's Park Savannah, the pan rings, flags wave, children dance, reminding us independence is not just a date, it's a living promise. To every elder who remembers the cost of freedom, your wisdom is the bedrock beneath us. To every youth who dreams bolder, the future calls for your courage, vision, and resolve. This is the moment, Trinidad and Tobago. Your chapter, your heartbeat, your claim to greatness. Each Independence Day is more than a flag. It's a renewal of spirit, a promise handed from old hands to young hearts, urging every generation to rise, strive, and shine with even greater purpose. 63 years have tested you. Politics, economy, crime, change from abroad. But every test has revealed your unstoppable spirit. Let every heart beat with pride. Let every voice ring with hope. Let every story add to the living legacy. To the world, this is Trinidad and Tobago, a small nation igniting global change. A Caribbean treasure of relentless energy, creativity, and love. If you feel this pride, if you believe every challenge can make us stronger, share this video. Join the conversation. Tell your Trinidad and Tobago story below. Subscribe to Caribbean Focus. Ring the bell. Stand with us as we celebrate, uplift, and unite the Caribbean, one story at a time. Because this is no ordinary story. This is how a small nation, against all odds, became great. This is Trinidad and Tobago. The fire still burns, brighter than ever. If you enjoyed this story on Trinidad and Tobago, you'll also love our video on Jamaica's independence, which was also in 1962. Click the link to keep exploring Caribbean history, pride, and unforgettable moments right here on Caribbean Focus.